2 of them. I guess AJ's gambling on the fact that he knows who these cops are. Is he gonna do another one? Oh man. Alright, so I just got off work. AJ texted me and said, hey, come ride, it's really nice out. I said, yeah, let's do that, even though it's almost 2:30 a.m. But hey, you gotta take advantage of the nice weather. It's supposed to rain for the next couple days, I think, so.
All they did was smile.
Yeah, I hope I got it, because this was angled down just a little bit. It's pretty wide angle, but
Mine's a wide angle.
I appreciate that, man. Just fixing my hair.
Yeah.
People behind us are like, what facts? Because we wheelied in sync and stuff. Why is it every time we turn around it just turns into this?
I don't know. I like it though.
Imagine someone going down Bridge Street like, what the fuck is going on down there? So AJ just got his plastics painted. As you'll be able to see, or as you've already seen, they are white with all the metallic flake. Very sparkly. The pimp cup of Groms, as he describes it. Nothing looks cooler than that, that's for sure. Look at them flakes though.
Right?
Like that is
a Ric Flair drip.
That is a Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch right there.
Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch.
All the flakes. Alright, we got some foods. I don't know how much longer we're gonna ride. It just feels so good out.
Trying to figure it out. Having trouble. Stoppy's ain't my friend. Or my family.
Or my family. Sick. So I think I just went from like perfectly fine to full-on strep throat in like 2 hours flat. My throat hurts, my voice is all fucked up now, I'm coughing, and it all happened within like 2 hours. I think I'm dying. Guys, I think I'm dying! So on that note, I think we're gonna be heading home. AJ will be splitting off up here. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.